Sunday fun day. Axel and I are going to take the SCX6s out. We're going to go explore, see if we can find a new place to go. I'm going to run to the hobby store right now, grab some new tires. You know what's extremely dangerous for a hardcore RC enthusiast is living less than 2 miles from your hobby shop. Leaving my community 12:34. We'll see what time we get there. 12:37, just rolled in Centerline Hobbies. This is our favorite place. Like I said, super dangerous, and that was with more than usual traffic. Headed home now, just got my 2.9 Super Swampers. Gonna go on the Honcho. Super excited for those. I've been eyeballing them for weeks now. Finally pulled the trigger. So I met a couple guys in there who own and run a basher track not far from us, and they invited us over. I got his card, showed me some pictures. Looks like a pretty sweet place. So they're gonna open up the track next week, so maybe we'll go check that out. Bring Axel out there and some bashers and have some fun. One of the reasons why I grabbed some new tires, I'm really excited about trying these new Steady Foam inserts that I just got. Shout out to Steady Foam for sending these over for me to try out. I think these are gonna go really good in the Super Swampers. I've watched some YouTube videos on this and really want to replicate that setup. So that's what kind of spurred this today. I've also got some updated aluminum shock towers gonna go on the SCX6. Hoping this will improve my steering. I've heard from a lot of folks that this is a great mod to do. These things are huge. Oh, I love fresh tires. So good. Nice, great fit from the Steady Foams in there. I was worried they were going to be too stiff, but they feel really good. One down. Look at these monsters on here. The shock towers look nice. These things are beefy. We're going to do yours next, right, buddy?
Yeah!
All right, phase 2 of this project. We're putting the Endura dual stage foams in the 2.9 Trepidors. We're going to put that on Axel's filthy SCX6 over there. Let me see how these work on his rig. First look at these tires in the daylight. Man, they look great on here. You can see why a lot of people run Super Swampers on the Honchos and the Wrangler SCX6s. Right out here, crawler heaven. Nobody here, I cannot believe it. This is the probably the most beautiful day we've had this year. Sunny and almost 60 degrees. We got the place to ourselves. Good old Top Gun there. under this log. Looks like it's all dried. Thought there was some mud.
I'm doing it! Without it. Really hard. You might tip the honcho in that.
Show me how it's done.
I tipped my honcho over on that.
Okay.
I supposed to not try. I tried as hard as I could.
I gotta try it. Too steep over that route.
All the way down there.
Yeah,
The trail.
it's crawler heaven down there. We're at the top of the sand hill. Oh my gosh! No! I was in low gear. It was too slow to. Oh, it was too slow to get out of the way.
Are you in low gear?
Yeah. I don't dare send it like you did. Oh!
I had it.
I know. Get pretty close.
I was on it.
I know. You got up there. I saw it. Oh!
My turn. No. Woo, arrow. I found a good spot for the minis, though. This is for the minis. There's a mini size place. Just for minis.
I wish I had dig. This is where I really wish I had dig.
Digging down.
I tried to turn this without falling. I can get up there.
What?
How am I on that edge over there?
Oh my God.
I gotta try to turn it. Oh, cliff hanging.
Way. I know you're gonna fall. I know it.
I think I can get it right here.
There's a water rising.
I think it's gonna get it.
Yeah, do it.
Got it!
That you might fall off.
Nice. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Ooh. No, buddy. Check it out. Where can we get on these things?
Hey, you wanna go?
take the bypass. So close on that one. That's it, prickly over there. Man, we are way out in the woods here, having a great time with the SCX6s. The thing I like about these is that they feel like legit wheeling. It's so close to the real thing. The way the vehicles move and everything, the experience is so cool. I know, this is awesome wheeling, right?
That's how I would in real life.
Oh, that's,
I bet it was real.
This is awesome wheeling though, isn't it? We've been out here forever in so many trails.
Yeah.
Snack break. We'll be going for a while. We bust out the minis while we're having a break. It's so funny driving these little things after driving the big ones. Coming out of the trails. Man, we've been out here forever. And now my man wants to hit some rocks. So we're gonna hit the rock crawling section of this place. So much fun out here. What an unbelievable spot. Spent all weekend out here. I got you. Good, nice and slow, nice and slow. Yep, you got it, good.
Where's my teeth when I go down?
Oh, yeah. Adam? Yeah.
Hey, look.
I see you, buddy. You got it.
There.
You got it, nice and slow. I got you. Watch out for that rock's gonna fall.
It did. No, that one.
Heading back now. I got about 5 minutes of rock crawling before Axel pulled the plug on that one. So we're heading back to the Jeep now. These are the days right here. I'll take as many of these as I can get. It's out here with my little man, hitting the trails, having a blast. That's what it's all about. This was the perfect afternoon. Great way to spend the Sunday. Glad you guys could join us. My little buddy ghosted me up this trail. I say he's done. Home for the evening. Definitely feeling like spring out here on the Cape. Axel's up there trying to get the neighbor kids to come out and play. He's still got energy. Got these two monsters home. Nothing broke. I thought for sure Axel snapped something in the front when we were on those rocks, but everybody made it home in one piece, so that's a good day right there. All right, guys, that's it for us here. I'm gonna cook us up some dinner, get ready for the work week. Had an absolute blast out on the trails with my little guy. Happy to bring you guys along. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll have lots more of these fun vlogs coming as the weather warms up. We'll be outside a lot more. Definitely looking forward to bringing you guys along with us. Please give the video a like if you did in fact enjoy it, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so. We're gonna be doing a ton of fun stuff this summer, and I hope to bring you guys along. Catch you in the next video.